Is selling a business different for different industries? Selling a business varies significantly across industries due to unique characteristics, market dynamics, and regulatory considerations. Market demand and competition differ, influencing the need for extensive marketing effort for attracting buyers. Valuation methods also vary. Service-based businesses are valued differently from manufacturing or technology companies. Regulatory compliance, such as healthcare or finance, demands additional due diligence and legal expertise. Customer relationships and base size impact the business attractiveness, with industries like retail and technology having differing intellectual property and asset holdings. Industry trends and growth potential further shape buyer interest, making it essential to understand your industry's dynamics when positioning your business for sale. Partnering with industry experienced professionals can help navigate these nuances, ensuring a successful business sale. They can provide valuable insight and guidance throughout the sale process, maximize the value of your business, and facilitating a smooth transaction. With their expertise, you can effectively navigate the complexities of your industry, identify potential buyers, and negotiate favorable terms, ultimately achieving your financial and strategic objectives. Selling a business requires careful consideration of industry-specific factors and expertise in navigating the complexities of the sales process. By partnering with experienced professionals and understanding the nuances of your industry, you can maximize the value of your business and achieve a successful close. Thank you.